Welcome back to For Your Heart and Home. My name is Dee Dee. Welcome into my kitchen. Today in the kitchen, I'm making 2 homemade lasagnas to tuck away in the freezer for future meals. Cooking ahead like this is one of the ways I try to care for my family and make our days run a little more smoothly. While I'm assembling these lasagnas, I want to share a few thoughts about Martha from the Bible, a woman known for her hospitality, her diligence, and her desire to serve others well. Her story reminds us that the work we do in our homes every day can be meaningful when our hearts are centered on the Lord. I want to share about Martha's service. She's a woman known for her heart of service and her deep love for Jesus. As I begin preparing the filling for these lasagnas, I am reminded of Martha because she represents the women who work faithfully behind the scenes, tending to the needs of others and caring for their homes. In Luke chapter 10, Martha welcomes Jesus into her home. While her sister Mary sits at his feet listening, Martha is busy serving and preparing. Her desire to serve came from a sincere and loving heart. She wanted to honor Jesus with her hospitality. Martha's story reminds us that serving others is a beautiful calling. Preparing meals, opening our homes, and caring for the people God has placed in our lives are meaningful acts of love. As I layer these lasagnas, it reminds me that much of our service happens quietly. The kind of work that often goes unnoticed, but is deeply important. Martha opened her home to Jesus, and that reflects the heart of a woman devoted to God. But we also see something important in her story. It is possible to become so focused on the work that we forget the one we are working for. Jesus gently told her, "Martha, Martha, you are worried and upset about many things, but only one thing is necessary." This moment teaches us that service should flow from relationship, not replace it. Martha's strength was her diligence, her willingness, and her devotion, but Jesus wanted her to find peace and rest in his presence. As I finish preparing the second lasagna for the freezer, it reminds me how much of homemaking is built on simple acts of care like this: preparing food, planning ahead, and nurturing our families. God values our service, but He also values the quiet moments we spend with Him. As these lasagnas are finished and ready for the freezer, I'm reminded that Martha teaches us the importance of balancing work and worship. Serving our families and caring for our homes is meaningful work, but spending time with the Lord is what gives all of that work its true purpose. When our hearts stay rooted in Christ, even the ordinary work of the kitchen becomes an act of love and devotion.